Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Today we're going to talk about Ethereum and why it actually might moon this summer. We know that the testnet has actually merged, the merge. Now, but we don't really know when the mainnet's going to merge. Rumors say it's going to be at the end of June, which means most of the summer Ethereum will be in proof of stake mode. Now, that does not solve its scaling problem because it still needs sharding, and that is still a year or two off, most likely. But that does say a lot about its staking rewards this summer. Now, the staking rewards for staking Ethereum will rise to about 10 to 15% after the merge on the mainnet. And that is because the mining rewards that were going to miners will actually, in turn, go to stakers. And that is a very, very big event for ETH, one of the biggest. And 10 to 15% will actually put it above the CPI, and a lot of people are looking for more stable investments that are actually above the CPI right now to beat out inflation. 10 to 15%, 12, 13%, very good returns on your investment, and that is for only staking. Now, Ethereum will have special appeal to investors that are looking for a little bit more stability because although not as stable as Bitcoin, Ethereum is more stable than smaller coins like Luna, Cardano, etc. Now, the gains on Ethereum during a bull market will not be as great as those coins, but people are wanting to avoid losses, especially when they want to emergency withdrawal money, as Ethereum is unlikely to fall below $2,000 or $1,800. That's at most a loss of about 33%, whereas Cardano, Luna can actually go down by more than 33% in a recessive market. Now, Cardano has gone from like $3 to 91 cents. Luna is actually doing really well, but you know it can drop, and so can other coins. Ethereum continues to be dominant in terms of TVL, although the dominance is slowly fading, owning to coins like Luna, AVAX coming up. The dominance was like 90-something% in late 2020, coming all the way down right now to about 50%, well, about 55% right now, and it will probably fall below 50% before the end of this year. But Ethereum staking right now, I believe, is at around 4 to 5%, and the jump to 10 to 15%, putting it above the CPI, will actually have a lot of attraction towards traditional investors that want a return that's greater than 7.9% or 8%, but don't want to take the risk of altcoins. And basically, it also has attraction because staking you can do in your own wallet, whereas if you want to stake with like BitTrue or something, you have to hold it at BitTrue, which entails another layer of risk because, you know, the exchange can get breached or they can take your coins because, you know, like not your wallet, not your coins. So Ethereum will definitely have that big attraction. And you know that Ethereum is going to continue to grow because a lot of projects are flooding into Ethereum, and especially on some of the layer 2 solutions into Ethereum. Yes, if the sharding doesn't come through in a year or two, Ethereum will have a lot of trouble because it really can't compete without the sharding with other, newer coins. But that's really not an issue right now with the fees. The fees will actually feed into the Ethereum price because it'll make the staking rewards so much more lucrative. And right now it's about how much you can actually make with these coins, not how much they're actually utilized. I know some of you don't like that, but it's actually true. It's really about how much yield these coins can give you rather than what dApps are running on it. In a year or two, maybe that'll be very different. But right now, people are actually holding and staking these coins, and that's actually what's driving the price up for these coins. And right now, it does look like the alts have stopped bleeding against Bitcoin and are holding their ground right now. It's really going to be hard to tell what it's going to do with the war raging on, and it's probably going to drag on for several months. But with this breakthrough from proof of work to proof of stake for Ethereum, that will have a lot of financial attraction for many crypto investors and many non-crypto investors that are looking for an asset that's not excessively volatile yet gives better than CPI gains of gains of about 8%. And Ethereum may actually fit that bill. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of hype generated leading up to the June event as well. So I think it's going to be at the end of June. So you might want to buy some Ethereum in May or April to get ready for that event, because it could actually go up due to the hype, because everything is buy the rumor, sell the news. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.